Okay, this is the Aubrey 4 training part 2 video. We are on task number 8 of 17, and we're going to format the text in the ingredients bookmark as a bulleted list using the checkmark.jpg image file. So click on Help. In the Home tab here, Editing Group, way over here, choose the drop down for Find and select Go To. Here, Go To. In the Go To tab, right there, in the Go To What list, choose Bookmark, and in the Enter Bookmark Name, choose Ingredients. So those were all chosen already for me. I don't know about you. And then click Go To, and then Close. Alright, so it brought us here to the ingredients list. And you can see that because it is a whole section that is bookmarked, it's not the I-beam anymore, it's like they're brackets. So it goes from 2 cups down to garlic cloves. Alright, in the Home tab, in the paragraph group, select Bullets. So that's this one. Click the arrow, define new bullet, and then over here, click Picture. I don't know what that means. Let's try this again. Picture. Bad request. Request too long. The size of the request headers is too long. Don't know what that means. Maybe I can't do it on this computer for some reason. Let me try again. Cancel. Home. Bullets. Define new bullet. Picture. No, it's not going to let me do it for some reason. Alright. Well, you can do it with yours. So you would click on Picture, and then next to From a File, you click Browse, and then navigate to your Geometrics Templates folder and choose checkmark.jpg and click Insert, and then click OK. So I don't know why I can't do that. I wonder if... Alright, so I have these. Alright, I can click this. It's not quite the same, I don't think, so, but it's better than nothing. And then I'm going to click OK. And then OK. So I have these check marks. They're not quite the right ones. I don't know why it wouldn't work for me, so it's probably going to say it's incorrect. Yeah, but I'm going to continue anyway because I don't know why I couldn't bring that up. But it should be correct for you if you did it like the directions say. So we're going to continue. Go on to the next one. Insert page numbers at the bottom of each page, except for the first page, using uppercase Roman numerals and plain number 1, and then close the footer. Alright. Help. In the Insert tab, click on the Insert tab. In the Header and Footer group, over here, Header and Footer, click Page Number. Page Number. And it gives you a bunch of options of where the page numbers can be. You're going to choose Bottom of Page, and then plain number 1, which is the first one that comes up. Alright, so it brought us down here. Now back to the Header and Footer group. In the Header and Footer contextual tab, that just means it's the tab that opens up for some things, like it's an extra tab that opens up just for particular other tabs. So here we have the Header and Footer tab, and then up here we have another one. Click on that, and then we have the Options group, and we're going to click on Different First Page. Just click that. And then go over here to the Insert and click Page Number. Insert tab. Oh, wait, header and footer. Page number. And choose Format Page Numbers. I don't know why it said in the Insert tab, because that's not where it is. Alright, Format Page Numbers. From the Number Format drop down, choose, and here it is. These are the capital Roman numerals. 1 is an I, 2 is 2 I's, 3 is 3 I's. So make sure that is selected and click OK. And then close header and footer. And even though you don't see them, when you get to a place where there's going to be, oh wait, this is the first page, so that's why you don't see it. So let's scroll down to the second page. Here's the second page. And here it is. You can see, in fact, you can even double click on the footer and you can see that it's 2 I's, 2 capital I's, which is page 2. Okay, next question. Add a custom watermark with the text pending approval in Impact 80-point font. Alright, so in the Design tab, Page Background group, select Watermark. So click on the thing, choose Custom Watermark, which is down here, and in the Printed Watermark dialog box, you click Text Watermark here. You type where it says text. Mine has ASAP in it. Get rid of that and type pending approval. Pending approval. And then in the font list here, you click the drop down and you go down to all the way down to I and find Impact. You can probably just type it here, but here it is, Impact. And then in the size, change it from auto to 80. 80. Click OK. And then you're green, continue. Next task, add a footer using the facet odd page style. Adjust the footer so that it is displayed 0.3 inches from the bottom of the page, and then close the header and footer. Alright, here we are. In the Insert tab, in the Header and Footer group here, click Footer, choose Facet Odd Page. So these are sort of alphabetical. So you have Facet Even Page, but you need Facet Odd Page. So click that. Then we have the Header and Footer Contextual tab, like we had the last time. Position Group. Set the Footer from Bottom field to 0.3 inches. So, alright, here's the position group. And you can see here, footer position from bottom, and this one would be footer position from top. So we want footer from bottom here, and they want us to change it to 0.3 instead of 0.5. So 3. Then you press the Enter key on your keyboard, and you click Close Header and Footer. And green arrow. Yep, correct. Align the image to the left of the column and set right-only type wrapping. Let's find the image first. Here it is, Hype. And go ahead and click on it to select it, and then we'll open our help. Alright, in the Picture Format Contextual tab, so we clicked on the picture and that created this contextual tab. So click there. In the Arrange group here, click Wrap Text. Wrap Text. Choose More Layout Options down here. Alright, text wrapping. tight, in wrap text here, wrap text, choose write only, write only. So what this is doing is telling the computer how you want text to be arranged around the picture. All right, in the position tab, so go up here to position. In the horizontal section, let me drag this, horizontal section, click alignment here. And in the drop-down menu, choose left, that's here. And in the relative to, choose column. And then click OK. All right, and then to deselect it and do your green arrow. All right, now click continue. All right, we're getting close to the end. Number 13. Apply a hyperlink to email all your questions in the last sentence of the document with the email drnelson@hu.edu and the subject healthcare questions. All right, so last sentence of the document. Let's go down there. Way down. Feel free to email all your questions to Dr. Nelson. Okay. Let's see. Select email all your questions in the sentence. All your questions. In the Insert tab, Insert. In the Links group, here, Links. Select Link. And that opens up the Insert Hyperlink box. In the Link To, over here, we want it to be email address, the bottom one. And where it says the email address, in the email address box, type, so click in there, type Dr. Nelson .edu, and in the subject box you type healthcare questions. Alright, so that's what will automatically pop up when you click on the link. So I tried to get rid of where it says mail to, because I didn't think that was supposed to be part of it, but you cannot get rid of that, so don't try. So click OK. And here you can tell that it did the hyperlink because it turned blue and it's underlined. And if you hover over it, it says mail to Dr. Nelson at hu.edu. Subject equals healthcare questions. Control click to follow the link. Oh, we don't need to do that. Just click on your green, and that is correct. Number 14. Apply a hyperlink to the image that depicts a child holding a cat and link it to the heading, "Are you okay, Sparky?" in the document. So here's the picture of the child holding a cat. So select that, and then in the Insert tab, in the Links group here, click Link, click Place in this document, select a place in this document, so here, select a place in this document, and they want you to choose "Are you okay, Sparky?" So click that, and then click OK. That's it. So if you hover over it, do Control click, it takes you down to "Are you okay, Sparky?" All right, that was correct. 15, getting closer to the end. Add a bibliography on a new page at the end of the document. All right, let's scroll down to the very end of the document. Click the light bulb. All right, move the cursor to the end of the document below the numbered list. Here's the numbered list. Don't go down here because this is the footer and you don't want to be down there. So there, I'm below the numbered list. Go to the Insert tab, Pages group here, click Blank Page. All right, so that gave us a new page down here. In the References tab here, in the Citations and Bibliography group here, click Bibliography. choose Bibliography from the Bibliography drop-down menu. All right, so let's get back over there. References, Bibliography, and it's just right here, the one named Bibliography. And you see it inserted the word Bibliography as a heading and then all these sources. And click your green arrow. That's correct. All right. Insert a citation for the Tyler reference at the end of the sentence. Gone are the days of selling a product on its own merit. So, first we're going to need to find that sentence, and then we can insert the citation. So, here's help. In the Home tab, Editing Group, over here, click the drop down for Find, and select Find. And here is the search document, and you're going to type the word merit, M-E-R-I-T, and press Enter. And it takes you right here to the word merit. All right, you want to click after the word merit, but before the period. So you might have to use your arrow keys to get it into the exact right place. In the References tab, in the Citations and Bibliography group, click Insert Citation. All right, References tab, Citations and Bibliography group, Insert Citation. So click that. And then you have to find the one that says Tyler, Jason. So here it is, because they are alphabetical. Tyler, Jason. And you see it puts it in there, so it has the word merit, then Tyler 2004, and then the period. Okay. All right. Add a table of contents at the beginning of the document, specifying only sub-objective heading and scope heading styles for the first and second levels, respectively. It took me a few tries to get this correct. Let's get rid of this navigation pane. All right, add a table of contents at the beginning. So we're at the beginning of the document. Move your cursor to the beginning of the document. All right, so like before the word characteristics. In the References tab, in the Table of Contents group, click Table of Contents. Click Custom Table of Contents down here. Click Options here, and then Reset. It changes all these things that are in here. And then you need to scroll to find the Scope heading and Sub-objective heading text boxes. So just scroll down until you find them. Let's see, what are we looking for? Scope. These are alphabetical. Don't do anything with these. This is what I kept doing wrong. Just leave them like they are. Keep going down. All right. Scope heading, Scope heading. In TOC level, type 1. Now, this is tricky because they switch them. They have Scope heading and then Sub-objective, but down here they change it and it says type 1 for Sub-objective and 2 for Scope. So, here is Scope heading, and over here you type a 2. Here you have Sub-objective heading. You type a 1. Click OK, and click OK again. Here it inserted your table of contents, and it has all these things. All right, so let's see if it's correct. Yay, it is. And that was the last thing. All right, so now it's grading all of it. And, oh, the only thing was apply bullets to a document, and that was that check mark. And you should have it correct. Remember, I couldn't get it to go to the picture of the check mark. All right, finish test. Are you sure? Yes. And let's see what I got. It took 43 minutes. I got a 16 out of 17. minimum passing score was 12 out of 17. And because of that one thing that it wouldn't let me do in manage tables and lists. Scrolling down, apply bullets to a document. That's what I got wrong. All right, and that's it.